Hey, what's going on, guys? I just want to make a very short and quick video. As new people join the room, I kind of want a central place where you guys can go and understand what's going on in the Discord, where to exactly find things, and how to get access to the live streams, whether it's a screen share live stream or a voice live stream. So we're going to quickly cover that. If you notice to the left of the screen here, we have all of these channels where different information and conversations be going on. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, okay, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see this little tab that says voice channels. This one that has a yellow box here, it says gold members live trading. Now, when I am live, meaning I'm just talking, I'm not sharing my screen, nothing like that. I'm just talking, I'm trading live. This is the room you want to be in so you can hear everyone else. This is the room you want to be in so you can ask questions in real time. This is the room where you're going to hear myself talking about the trades and levels that I'm looking for. Again, use it to your advantage. Now, you don't have to have a microphone. You put headphones on and listen to it at work. You can take a walk. You can listen to what's going on. Doesn't really matter. You can choose to communicate. You can choose just to sit back and listen. That's totally up to you. But if you guys do want to jump in and you guys do want to listen and talk, then make sure you either are talking through your phone or you've got a mic set up, this, that, and the other, right? So that's the room where you can find the live trading each and every single morning. Now, again, if there's nobody in this room, if I'm not in this room, then obviously I'm not either trading live, or I'm not talking, or there's not enough people in there that are looking to trade live. Normally I will go in this channel, 5-10 minutes before the market opens, and I'll probably be here until about 8:30, 9 o'clock, depending on how the trading hours are going. Again, that's Pacific Standard Time. Now, if I am sharing my screen where I'm going over the charts and I'm talking, there's one of two ways that you guys can do it. You can stay in this room, which I would recommend. Stay in here, because if you do have a question, you want to be able to chat with me live versus having to type everything out on a YouTube comment or something. But the video, if you guys actually want to see my screen, will be posted here. Okay, there's a little TV, it says daily live trading, and if you click this, these links that pop up with my little face right here and these boxes from YouTube, this is where you can click to see the actual screen share. Now, again, if there's no link posted in here, for example, then I'm not sharing my screen and I'm not live on YouTube. I may just be live on the voice chat. So again, check the voice chat first, because that's where I'm going to report every day. First is that live voice chat. And if I'm going to share my screen, and if I'm going to, have the multiple charts up so everyone can kind of see, that link will be posted here, and all you have to do is click the video. Again, if you do watch the video, make sure you mute it, because you'll already be listening to the audio here on the Gold Members voice channel. Now, again, just a quick little, rundown of some of the other rooms. The Gold Members chat is pretty much where everyone hangs out. This is where I'll just toss in random information and people can say whatever they choose to. Sometimes there's general conversation in here. Sometimes there's levels. Like, for example, I might, come across something on a live options flow. Guys, they came for weekly 470 NVIDIA calls, right? Giving little insights throughout the day. Again, I talked about this Amazon trade back here. So look at 8:09 a.m. I posted this Amazon trade, which is actually a fantastic trade that's set up here. We have other members that kind of post things that we may be talking about in the voice chat. The watch list is something that you guys want to check each and every single day. So as I come across charts, as I'm charting and I start putting different levels, I'll put charts that I'll be looking at and levels that I'm going to be looking at. So for example, tomorrow I'm looking at Amgen over 288.50 long, Starbucks over 94 long. We've got a swing trading channel in case I want to do any swings. Random members, gold members training. Again, if you are new, I'd go through and start listening and watching some of these older videos that I have in here. Again, because there's little gems and little nuggets, little bits and pieces of information. It's almost like a course, but it's not. It's just when I feel the need to kind of teach something strategy wise or talk about something trading related wise, I'll post that in this training channel. So definitely want to take a look at that. If you do have anything to talk about off topic, non-related to trading, just kind of shooting the shit, you guys can use the off topic room. The daily gains, obviously, if you do want to share, you know, your gains, whether they be wins or losses, it doesn't really matter. You can share them here. You can kind of see if other people are, you know, how they're doing. And then there's just some other channels in there. The futures trading channel room is for if you guys trade futures. So topics in here are only going to be related to futures trading and futures levels. So if you are a futures trader, you're going to want to be hanging out here, as well as the gold members chat. Those two rooms are going to be your gems. That's where you're going to find the guys that are going to be trading those things that you guys are trading as well. You guys can kind of go over and read the 20 Evo 20 strategy guide. So these 20 plays. Again, if you maybe are having a hard time, you know, look at what is going on here. You can read through this. You can kind of see exactly what I'm looking for when it comes to the 20 SMA play. Again, it's just for scalping, so forth and so forth. And I'm also going to migrate over the course from the website into the Discord as well. So it'll be here, and that's going to be in this Evolution Traders Theory course. So that's going to be how I'm trading the 1 hour chart, how I'm using previous day highs and lows, and how I'm using the big chart on the 1 hours to kind of find those areas of entry that you guys may hear me be talking about. For example, like today on the Amazon trade, I was looking at the 1 hour time frame, and I'll show you why, and I go over that in the Evolution Traders Theory course. So that's the most complete course. That's the most going to be complete information on my system. Again, the 20 SMA plays, it's just a little piece, guys. It's just a little entry setup. It's just a little easy way to kind of, you know, come into the markets and identify some setups, especially if you're just getting started, or, you know, you want a system that's a little bit easier. The Evolution Traders Theory course, where I'm using the big chart, using hourly pivot levels, I'm using pre-market highs, I'm using previous day highs, using that big chart that you guys see with all of my moving averages on it. That video on how to, or that course on how to trade that is also going to get migrated here as well. So you guys can kind of go through it on a day in and day out basis. But again, just wanted to give you guys, when you guys come into the room, if you are a new member or you just recently joined Evolution Traders and you kind of wonder how to get around on the site, or how to get around, you know, the channels here in Discord, and where am I talking at live each and every single morning, it's down here in the Gold Members Live Trading. Again, if I am sharing my screen, because again, guys, I don't share my screen every day. You know, sometimes when the market starts and I'm starting to trade, it's a little bit of a hassle. And again, also, you know, you should be able to listen to what I'm saying and be able to correlate that to your charts. Again, if you're just going to sit there and you're going to actually watch my screen and try to take the same setups as me or someone else, it's very, very difficult to do, because, you know, you don't understand what I'm looking at as far as where could be my potential stop loss, where could be my potential take profits. You guys need to start learning it on your own, right? Ask questions 100%. You guys can look at it, look at my chart, glance to it, but don't just try to watch my chart, you know, tick for tick, because if you don't know where I'm looking to target levels and you have no understanding why, and you're just trying to tail trades, that could be very, very frustrating if you don't understand it. So I want to get everyone on the same page to where you guys can understand everything on your own, and you don't really need to see my charts, right? But again, I do enjoy sharing the charts, and it does help people. So if I am sharing my screen, it will be in this daily live trading webinar page here, and the link will be here. And again, my audio will be down here in the voice channel, so you can always listen to me here on Discord. Again, just wanted to make this video for all of the new members.